Well, it's now Sunday, a week later. We're just going to swap back the original cleaned mass airflow sensor into Adam's Kia Venga. We've disconnected the connector from here. Adam's slackening his nuts a bit here. They've been gay tight recently. So the black exhaust has been cured. It was the intercooler, which is way down here. I don't know if you can see it properly. Yeah, there. See that nice shiny silver bit and the new Jubilee clip? So the intercooler has been replaced. There is no black smoke. So that was the problem. And we're just going to put the cleaned mass airflow sensor back on. And then we should have the best of all the possibilities. So we'll get that done. So we've removed the original one that we got from the scrapyard. We've put the clean MAF in, 10mm bolts to retain it. Pretty straightforward. So connected up the hose connector again, just nipping it up. Those bolts there and under there have been tightened up, and then the two clips that hold the top of the airbox on have been put back in, and that's it. So now we can fire it up and see the big puffs of black smoke. Right. No reek at all. So if you're getting black smoke, it's best to check your intercooler to see if it's got a hole. Supposedly the bottom part of the intercooler actually fell off the coolant fins. The intercooler that was replaced was sourced on autodoc.com. It took not quite a week, but it took about 6 days to arrive. So if you're going to order anything through Autodoc, it might not be as quick as getting the part locally or from eBay, etc.